Tesla slashes prices for Model S and X in the U.S. I think they have too many of these sitting around. I think they built too many during COVID or something because they just keep dropping the price. And then they drop the price on the Y, then they quickly raise it back up. They're like, oh, wait, no, everybody wants that one. Let's not get carried away here. But S and X, I think, are overpriced. I don't know. Or maybe not overpriced, but there's just more competitors in this space at this price point. You got the Lucids and I don't know. What else do you have? What else do you have at those price points? I guess Rivian? to a certain extent.
Yeah.
The Hummer EV. There's a lot of like premium EVs. There's increasingly affordable ones.
Yeah.
Which is good. But those Polestars kind of fit somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Anyway, these ones were like $100,000, right? And US, right? Around $100,000 US. Then you had the incentive, the $7,500 tax incentive. And then you had the price dip, and now you have the second price dip. And you have really quick delivery dates. It'll basically be the month you're ordering it. And if you ever log on the page, it's March 6th, it'll say delivery March. And in February, if you were to look, it would say delivery February. So that tells me that there's a supply. Tesla's cut prices of its Model S sedan and Model X SUV in the U.S., according to the company's website. The second time this year that Tesla slashed the prices. The Model S all-wheel drive is now available for $89,990, down 5.2%. And the S Plaid is actually, it's funny, down a little bit less, 4.3% from $115,000 to $109,990. The Model X actually went down even more, 9.1% on the standard model, and then the Plaid goes down 8.3%, which is basically $10,000. This is the latest price cut after the drastic slashed prices back in January. The desire for people to own a Tesla is extremely high. This comes from Elon. That's a quote. The limiting factor is their ability to pay for a Tesla. Well, I mean, that's the limiting factor for anybody who wants anything.
For anything.
People really want things. The limiting factor to them having things is their ability to pay for things. That is groundbreaking stuff. But yes, it is true. I think obviously what he means to say or what he is saying, it does still make sense in this case. Maybe he's saying people are waiting till they have the funds. He's saying it is part of a plan they have to get it. And this was going to let more of them pull the trigger, I suppose. But I still feel like that person that's on the fringe of having a Tesla or not having a Tesla is not an X or S customer, but they're more likely to be a Y or 3 customer, as I would imagine. So it's still a bit of an odd statement.
But wouldn't it help their stock prices and be like, hey, like we've sold this many cars like this quarter, so.
Sure. It's fair, Will.
Yeah. Well, I don't know markets. We need to get Mo in here.
Mo Markets?
Yeah.
Mo Money Markets?
Yeah.
I guess he's still sick. Is that what's going on?
He is in the chat here and there.
He's in the chat. All right, let us know, Mo. I mean,
Get better, buddy.
Curious if, I guess you're still sick, which is not great. So get well.
Get better.
Get the soup going.